How to fix Palworld keeps crashing on PC, 2026. If Palworld keeps crashing on your PC, follow these steps to improve stability. First, press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to System, then click Display. Scroll down and select Graphics. In the search bar, type Palworld. If the game doesn't appear, click Add App and add Palworld manually. Once it's listed, click Options and set the game to high performance. Next, open your game launcher, click the three dots next to Palworld, and select Manage. Go to the Files tab and click Verify to check and repair any missing or corrupted game files. After the verification is complete, click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Navigate to Palworld, Content, Pal, Binaries, WinGDK, then launch the game directly by opening the Palworld executable from that folder. Once the game starts, check whether the crashing issue has been resolved.